Welcome to our exploration of the most beautiful parks in the world, where nature's grandeur and breathtaking landscapes take center stage. From cascading waterfalls to towering mountain peaks and tranquil lakes surrounded by vibrant flora, these parks are a testament to the Earth's incredible diversity and the wonders it holds. Join us on a virtual journey as we traverse across continents, uncovering the unparalleled beauty and serenity that these remarkable parks offer to visitors and wildlife alike. Get ready to be mesmerized by the splendor of nature in our exploration of the most beautiful parks on our planet. Number 6. Zion National Park, USA. Zion National Park, located in the southwestern United States in the state of Utah, is a breathtaking testament to the power of nature's forces. Established in 1919, it encompasses 229 square miles of diverse and stunning landscapes, making it one of the most visited national parks in the country. The park is renowned for its towering sandstone cliffs, deep canyons, and the vibrant colors that paint the scenery, creating an awe-inspiring environment for visitors. One of the park's most iconic features is the Zion Canyon. Carved by the Virgin River over millions of years, the canyon walls, soaring to heights of up to 2,000 feet, showcase intricate patterns and hues, ranging from red and orange to pink and cream. The Navajo sandstone formations, such as the Court of the Patriarchs and the Great White Throne, stand as majestic sentinels overlooking the canyon. A highlight of Zion National Park is the Zion Narrows, a slot canyon carved by the Virgin River. Visitors can embark on a unique hiking experience by wading through the river, surrounded by towering canyon walls that sometimes narrow to just 20 feet across. The Virgin River itself adds to the allure of the park, providing a refreshing oasis amid the arid surroundings. For those seeking panoramic views, the park offers a challenging yet rewarding hike to Angel's Landing. This trail takes adventurers along a narrow ridge with sheer drop-offs on both sides, culminating in a summit that affords unparalleled vistas of Zion Canyon. Another popular hiking destination is the Emerald Pools, where a series of lush, green oases and waterfalls offer a contrast to the rugged desert landscape. Zion National Park is not only a haven for hikers, but also a sanctuary for diverse plant and animal life. Bighorn sheep, mule deer, and a variety of bird species inhabit the park, adding to its ecological richness. The park's unique geology and stunning beauty have earned it recognition as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore the park through a network of hiking trails, scenic drives, and ranger-led programs. Whether one seeks adventure, tranquility, or simply the marvels of nature, Zion National Park stands as a testament to the awe-inspiring beauty that the natural world has to offer. Number 5. Fiordland National Park, New Zealand. Fiordland National Park, located in the southwestern corner of New Zealand's South Island, is a wilderness paradise renowned for its breathtaking fjords, pristine lakes, and dramatic landscapes. Established in 1952, the park covers an expansive area of over 4,800 square miles, making it the largest national park in New Zealand and a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1990. The most famous feature of Fiordland National Park is Milford Sound, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Carved by glaciers during the last ice age, Milford Sound is a mesmerizing fjord surrounded by towering cliffs that rise dramatically from the dark waters. Mitri Peak, one of the most iconic and photographed peaks in New Zealand, stands proudly at the entrance of the sound, reaching a height of 5,551 feet. Doubtful Sound, another stunning fjord within the park, offers a more remote and untouched experience. Its deep waters are surrounded by dense rainforest-covered mountains that create a serene and secluded atmosphere. Visitors to Doubtful Sound can often witness waterfalls cascading down steep cliffs, adding to the park's ethereal beauty. The park's landscape is characterized by rugged mountain ranges, dense forests, and an intricate network of waterways, Firedland's diverse ecosystems support a rich array of flora and fauna, including unique bird species such as the endangered takahe, Kia native parrot, and the elusive kiwi. Hiking is a popular activity in Firedland National Park, with numerous trails catering to varying levels of expertise. The Milford Track, one of New Zealand's great walks, takes hikers on a journey through lush rainforests, alpine meadows, and past cascading waterfalls, culminating at Milford Sound. The Rootburn Track and Kepler Track are also renowned multi-day hikes that showcase the park's stunning landscapes. The park's remoteness and limited accessibility contribute to its pristine and untouched nature. Boating, kayaking, and scenic flights are popular ways to explore the fjords and take in the grandeur of the surrounding mountains. Wildlife enthusiasts can embark on cruises to observe seals, dolphins, and penguins that inhabit the coastal areas. Firedland National Park stands as a testament to the raw beauty of New Zealand's natural landscapes, offering visitors an opportunity to immerse themselves in a world of towering peaks, reflective waters, and the unspoiled wonders of the Southern Hemisphere. Number 4. Haller Park, Kenya. Haller Park, located in Mombasa, Kenya, is a unique and ecologically diverse wildlife sanctuary that exemplifies successful environmental rehabilitation. Originally a limestone quarry, Haller Park was transformed into a thriving conservation area under the visionary efforts of Dr. Ren Haller. Established in the 1970s, the park has since become a model for ecological restoration and sustainable wildlife conservation. One of the park's notable features is the Bamburi Forest Trails, a network of paths that wind through a reclaimed coastal forest. The forest provides a habitat for a variety of indigenous plant species, including towering trees and vibrant flora. As visitors stroll along the trails, they can appreciate the lush greenery and the sounds of diverse birdlife that have returned to the area. Haller Park is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including mammals, reptiles, and birds. Giraffes roam freely in the park, and visitors often have the unique opportunity to hand-feed these gentle giants from an elevated platform. The park also houses hippos in a large pond, and crocodiles can be observed basking along the water's edge. Other species, such as antelopes, buffaloes, and monkeys, contribute to the park's rich biodiversity. The park's commitment to conservation extends to its efforts to protect and rehabilitate reptiles. The Mamba Village, within Haller Park, serves as a sanctuary for Nile crocodiles. Here, visitors can witness informative and educational presentations about these fascinating creatures, emphasizing the importance of their conservation in the wild. Haller Park places a strong emphasis on environmental education and awareness. The park offers guided tours and educational programs for visitors, schools, and local communities. These initiatives aim to instill a sense of responsibility for environmental stewardship and promote the importance of preserving Kenya's rich biodiversity. In addition to its conservation and educational efforts, Haller Park is a popular recreational destination. The serene Nguni Nature Sanctuary within the park provides a tranquil setting where visitors can enjoy picnics and observe giraffes and other wildlife in a natural environment. Haller Park's success story as a rehabilitated quarry-turned-thriving wildlife sanctuary serves as an inspiration for conservation efforts globally. The park's blend of conservation, education, and recreation makes it a valuable asset for both locals and tourists, contributing to the preservation of Kenya's natural heritage. Number 3. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Plitvice Lakes National Park, located in central Croatia, is a stunning natural wonder that captivates visitors with its enchanting landscapes and cascading waterfalls. Established in 1949 and declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979, the park spans over 73,000 acres and is renowned for its interconnected series of lakes, waterfalls, and lush forests. The park is characterized by 16 terrace lakes, arranged in cascades and connected by a series of waterfalls. The lakes are known for their vibrant turquoise and emerald hues, a result of the mineral-rich waters and the interplay of sunlight with the algae and minerals in the lake beds. The natural beauty of Pilitvice Lakes is accentuated by the surrounding dense forests, creating a harmonious blend of water and greenery. The park is divided into upper and lower lakes, each offering a unique and breathtaking experience. Visitors can explore the wooden walkways and trails that meander around and across the lakes, providing close-up views of the waterfalls and an immersive experience in the heart of this natural paradise. Velike Slap, the highest waterfall in the park, plunges dramatically from a limestone cliff, adding to the park's scenic grandeur. Pilitvice Lakes National Park is not only a visual feast, but also a haven for diverse flora and fauna. The park is home to a variety of plant species, including rare and endemic ones. The clear waters of the lakes teem with fish, and the surrounding forests harbor wildlife such as bears, wolves, and an array of bird species, making it a significant area for biodiversity conservation. Visitors to Pilitvice Lakes can explore the park through designated walking trails and wooden boardwalks that snake around the lakes and waterfalls. The sound of rushing water, the scent of the forest, and the sight of the crystal-clear lakes create an immersive experience that attracts nature lovers, photographers, and outdoor enthusiasts from around the world. Boat rides on the park's lakes provide a different perspective, allowing visitors to appreciate the beauty of the cascades from the water. The electric boats contribute to the park's commitment to eco-friendly practices, preserving the pristine nature of the lakes. Pilitvice Lakes National Park is not only a destination for leisure and recreation, but also a symbol of successful conservation efforts. Its status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site reflects its significance in preserving a unique and delicate ecosystem. The park stands as a testament to the harmonious coexistence of water, flora, and fauna, creating a timeless and magical experience for those fortunate enough to explore its wonders. Number 2. Yellowstone National Park, USA. Yellowstone National Park, located primarily in the U.S. state of Wyoming, but also extending into Montana and Idaho, is a vast and iconic wilderness area that holds the distinction of being the first national park in the world. Established in 1872, Yellowstone spans over 2.2 million acres and is renowned for its geothermal features, diverse wildlife, and extraordinary landscapes. The park is home to more than half of the world's geysers, including the famous Old Faithful, which erupts at regular intervals, shooting water and steam into the air. The geothermal activity is a result of the Yellowstone caldera, a massive volcanic crater that underlies much of the park. Visitors can witness a surreal landscape of bubbling hot springs, colorful geysers, and steaming fumaroles, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. Yellowstone's wildlife is equally impressive, with a rich array of species that inhabit its varied ecosystems. The park is known for its large populations of bison, elk, and mule deer. Wolves and grizzly bears, once on the brink of extinction, have made a successful comeback, and sightings of these magnificent predators are a highlight for many visitors. The park is also a haven for birdwatchers, with numerous bird species, including bald eagles and ospreys. The Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone is a geological marvel, featuring vibrant yellow and orange hues in its canyon walls and the stunning lower falls, which plunges dramatically into the canyon. The park also boasts expansive meadows, alpine lakes, and dense forests, providing a diverse and picturesque backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts. Yellowstone Lake, one of the largest high-elevation lakes in North America, adds to the park's scenic beauty. The lake is surrounded by geothermal and turquoise lakes. One of the most recognizable features of Banff National Park is Lake Louise, a glacial lake surrounded by snow-capped peaks, and the famous Fairmont Shadow Lake Louise, The stunning turquoise waters of the lake, fed by melting glaciers, make it a picture-perfect destination year-round. Moraine Lake, another jewel in the park, is renowned for its vivid blue color and is framed by the Valley of the Ten Peaks. The scene is particularly breathtaking during the summer months when the lake is thawed, and visitors can explore its shores or embark on hiking trails leading to panoramic viewpoints. The Ice Fields Parkway, a scenic highway that traverses the heart of the park, offers awe-inspiring views of the rugged mountain landscapes, glaciers, and expansive valleys. Athabasca Glacier, part of the Columbia Ice Field, is a popular stop along the parkway, allowing visitors to walk on the glacier or take a guided tour to learn about glaciology. Banff National Park provides a haven for outdoor enthusiasts with an extensive network of hiking trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging alpine routes. The park is also a paradise for wildlife viewing, with opportunities to encounter iconic Canadian species such as grizzly bears, black bears, elk, moose, and bighorn sheep. The town of Banff, situated within the park, serves as a gateway to the natural wonders and offers amenities, accommodations, and cultural attractions. The Banff Springs Hotel, a historic and grand chateau-style hotel, is a landmark that adds to the charm of the town. Banff National Park is not only a recreational paradise, but also a crucial area for scientific research and environmental conservation. The park's ecological diversity, including its unique subalpine and alpine ecosystems, contributes to its UNESCO World Heritage designation. Whether seeking adventure in the great outdoors or simply marveling at the breathtaking scenery, Banff National Park stands as a testament to the untamed beauty of the Canadian Rockies.